Here's how you can recover deleted Instagram messages. So, recovering deleted Instagram messages depends on how they were deleted and how recently it happened. Instagram does not offer a guaranteed restore option once messages are permanently deleted. But there are a few methods worth trying. First, check whether the message is actually deleted or just archived. Simply open Instagram, then go to DMs and scroll through all conversations. Sometimes chats are missed or moved down the list, especially if you have any messages. So scroll down and search for the chat that you think is deleted. You'll find it below. Now, if the messages were deleted recently, you can request your Instagram data. Simply open your Instagram, go to your profile section by clicking on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click three-lined icon at the top right. It's going to show you this page where you'll have to click Account Center. Now, tap your information and permissions. So, scroll down and choose your information and permission. When you tap this button, you will see an option saying Export your information. Click this and it is going to show you this page. Here, you'll have to simply click Create Export. Now, choose your Instagram profile. Now, choose whether you want to export the data to your device or external service. You can choose device. Now, scroll down and click Customize Information. And it is going to show you this page where you'll have to click Clear All. Otherwise, all these things will be exported with the data and the file will be very big. So, we'll scroll down and search for the option saying Messages, since we are only going to recover our Instagram messages. After choosing messages, you can click Clear All after personal information, connections, logged information, security, apps, preferences, and ads. So make sure you clear all the information and just choose messages under your Instagram activity. After you do this, just click Save. Now, choose date range. Here, you're going to simply choose the date range for which you want to recover the deleted messages for. So, I'm going to choose, for example, last 3 months. You can do this for a week or 3 years or all time. Now, click Save. After you do this, you can choose the format, whether you want the file to be HTML or JSON. I will choose HTML, click Save. Now, click Media Quality and choose Medium. Click Save. Scroll down and choose Notify. Now make sure you have selected your email and click Save. Scroll down and simply click Start Export. After you do this, you'll have to just re-enter your password to continue. After entering your password, click Continue. And you will see a notification saying your information is being prepared for export. They will let you know when it's ready. So you'll have to wait for a while and you'll get an email from Instagram that your export is ready to download. Now, when it's done, you will get the email and you will have to simply open that email, then click on the download icon after your data and you can easily open the messages from there. So that's how you do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.